Hi everyone, it's Andrew Howell here from RE/MAX Sarnia Realty. I'm excited to introduce you to my newest listing, 3967 Cullen Drive in beautiful Plimpton, Wyoming.
We go higher to the sky, reaching.
I'm super excited to tell you about my top 5 favorite things of this gorgeous home. And coming in at number 1 is the beautiful exterior. And coming in at number 2 is this park-like backyard at almost 3/4 of an acre and featuring a large covered porch. Let's not forget about number 3, this stunning 16 by 14 kitchen featuring double wall ovens, a huge granite island, and lots of maple cabinetry for all your goods. And number 4 is this luxurious ensuite featuring a walk-in shower and a huge walk-in closet with its own window, and a beautiful primary bedroom overlooking the backyard. And number 5 is a thoughtful split bedroom design featuring 9 and 10-foot ceilings and a lovely fireplace in this centrally located living room. And coming in at a bonus number 6 is the convenient location with 2 amazing beach access points and a local pond for ice skating. Your family will love living here.